tensions and cooperation between Canada and the United States are shaping today's headlines, with both nations facing economic challenges and political debates that have cross-border consequences. In Canada, Alberta Premier Danny L. Smith revealed that the province and Ottawa are about 80% aligned on a new oil pipeline proposal. While the plan could boost Canada's energy exports, disagreements remain over access to British Columbia's coast, where environmental and Indigenous rights groups are strongly opposed. At the same time, Canada's economy is feeling pressure. The Canadian dollar recently dropped to its weakest point in nearly 5 months as global oil prices slid. Analysts expect a possible rebound, but much depends on U.S. interest rate cuts and trade policies. Adding to the financial debate, the Bank of Canada is studying new methods for measuring core inflation, which could shift monetary policy in the coming year. Domestically, Ottawa is working to cut $25 billion in spending over 3 years, a move that could tighten federal budgets but also calm concerns about rising debt. Meanwhile, Canada's Election Security Task Force has raised alarms over potential foreign interference in the Liberal Party's leadership contest, highlighting the risks of disinformation campaigns and international meddling in Canadian politics. South of the border, the United States has entered a government shutdown after lawmakers failed to agree on a federal budget. This crisis has furloughed hundreds of thousands of government workers and is projected to cost the economy billions of dollars each week it continues. The shutdown has also shaken business confidence, and Treasury officials warn that prolonged instability could slow U.S. growth significantly. Trade friction is another major issue. The U.S. has raised tariffs on Canadian exports, including lumber and manufactured goods. Canadian officials warn these measures could push their economy toward recession, reviving memories of past trade wars. With the North American Trade Agreement USMCA up for review in 2026, economists caution that these disputes could destabilize future negotiations. Adding to the tension is a social policy divide. The U.S. has restricted recognition of gender-neutral passports, which means Canadians with an X-gender marker may face problems at American borders. Ottawa has warned its citizens of possible disruptions, underscoring the sharp policy differences between the two neighbors. Together, these issues, pipeline debates, economic uncertainty, government shutdowns, and trade disputes demonstrate how tightly Canada and the United States remain linked. What happens in Washington directly affects Ottawa, and vice versa, making cross-border cooperation and negotiation more important than ever.